In this video, we talk about some function listed here related to date. Start with today function. Now check how it's work. Type today, then enter. It's show today date of current day. Uh, if for now function, it's also show date with time. Now check for now function. Enter. Yes, this showing the time also. Then go for the another scenario. We have a date, for example, 2 February 2022. Enter. And same for month and year. Now we distinguish between day and month. Then for this we use day function. In day function select this date. Okay. It's a distinguish day from month because there is a also day and month also are same. So we distinguish between day and month, then we use day or month. It's automatically conclude day from this date. Also check how months working. Months function apply to this date. Then it show the months from here. It's conclude month from here. We also can change its attribute change. We can also change its attributes. For example, now it's showing 2 uh, 2 and 2022. We change for example we change here 12 and 10. Now it's showing 12 is the day because we use the format here. Kindly you can also check 3 14 2012. For example, it show the different formats of 4 March 2012 for 14 March, sorry, 14 March 2012. Now you can check month is for start and day in between, and then 2012 at the end year. We can also change here from this format. Then check now. Now day at the first, month at second, and then year. But from the day function, it just include day whenever it's from first or second. You can also apply on this. Now it's showing number of month here. Okay. You can also check year function. Let's apply on it. Then it's showing the number of, sorry, this it's showing year, current year 2022. Now for date, if you want some data in the form of date, for example it's in years, then comma, then month, and then comma, and then day. Now enter. It's showing in the form of date. You have some data in the form of year, month, or day. You can write it into format of date with the date function. Now here is another network day. Name of function is network days. Let's conclude the network days and exclude the number of holidays. For example, overall holidays, Saturday, Sunday. It's exclude from that particular start or end date, and other day calculate and show here. Check how it's work. Network days. Networks days, we used to here enter start date. For example, our start date is this, and then end date. End date, I enter today date. For today, I enter today function. Then okay. Sorry, yes. It's need to complete the brackets. That's why it's showing error. But when okay, then it's showing 28 network days, include holidays. Now we check network days international. In this function, you can change the holidays. For example, somewhere in the world, holidays on Friday, somewhere in Sunday, or any other day. Now check how it's work. Networks Day International start date, then end date. End date we need to enter today date. So today date is this. Then it's showing the which holiday you are selected. For example, we selected Friday, Saturday. Then enter. Now it's showing 27. Okay, that's all for the today video. Thanks.